The ultimate Vbxtopcom Fortnite free Vbux scams reviews websites tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you've ever searched for free Vbux, you've probably seen websites that promise instant Fortnite currency with almost no effort. They look exciting. They claim just enter your username and get rich. But here's the surprising truth. When a site offers free Vbux, the real goal is usually not to give you anything, except trouble. Most people make one big mistake. They think, what's the harm in trying? The harm is huge. Sites can steal your login, your personal data, and even your entire Fortnite account. Once that happens, recovering everything is a nightmare. So how do you go from 0 to pro in scam detection? Start with this rule. Vbux are only real when they come from inside Fortnite or official partners. No third-party generator can magically create currency. If a website claims it can, that is your first red flag. Next, look for pressure tactics. Fake Vbux websites often use countdown timers, flashing warnings, or promises like only 20 bonus codes left. They push you to act fast so you don't think clearly. When a website pressures you, pause and walk away. Another pro strategy: never enter passwords or personal information into reward pages. Fortnite does not require login through random websites. If they ask for verification tasks like downloading apps or sharing surveys, that's bait. They get paid, you get nothing. Here's the part most people miss. Even just clicking can expose you to hidden trackers, pop-ups, or malware. Protect yourself by closing the site immediately and clearing your browser if anything feels suspicious. The bottom line is simple. Your account, your skins, and your progress are worth more than any fake free Vbux. Stay smart, stay secure, and play the game the right way. More fast guides coming soon to keep you ahead of scams and winning with confidence.